Hello everyone. This time I want to introduce a new tool which is called data integration console. Basically, you can extract the data from Business Central and put it into SQL database. It could be on-premises SQL or Azure SQL. Right. So let's go to the quick view of setup. So you can basically define the database connection and you can initialize the database. But then it initialize the basic configuration. So then from here, you could configure API connection, define the credentials for if there could be a SaaS or on purposes, you could define the API details there. Then you define the what are the companies you want to add it. So let's create the companies, for example. So it's going to pull up. So these are the companies which is available from that connection. This connection. So you can pull up all the companies from there. So you can choose what are the companies you want to synchronize the data. Then you can add the tables. So you can pick up the tables from the Business Central, whatever the table is available, you can choose it, or you can manually add as well. For example, let's add currency table from here. So add a new table for which is currency table. Then I want to synchronize by page. It's a small size. So normally currency won't be fine. Just keep it up. Maybe if you have a huge set of record, you can set up the page size. Then you can set up the increment. It's not rated for a master table, but if you have a transactional table, you can define anything. Define based on what you want to synchronize the data from Business Central. Right? It also add filters. Let's say particular currency code you want to sync, you can just put it. So let's see the fields. Right, so these are the fields. Let's say I want to filter the currency code. I put the field number, then I can put the value. I could also put dot or whatever the filters we want to do it, or you can add it. It can be applied for different purpose. Right, so similar to that, you can also do by entry number. Let's say if you want to pull up the item ledger entry, value entry, GL entry, you can go by entry number, so it is faster to reload. Or if you want to go by modified created output, that is also right. So then from here, I will choose the fields which I wanted. So definitely you need to select the primary key, then rest of the field is you can choose. Right, so let's select all. Right, so then I have to certain fields, for example, I don't want this information. So once I'm done, I do SQL. So this is going to create this database table. So what is going to happen? This will create an additional field called company ID. So that is going to be one table in a database. Then it will be separated by company ID. So let's skip this. So successfully executed. So now let's synchronize the data for this company. Sync. See the table mapping. I didn't say that. Sync. Right. So go here. Summary. So switch. Say table mapping. Then so select our table. So it is started synchronizing the data. So everything is done. So I can see synchronized table from 4. So let's go and look at the viewer. Currency. I can see. Right? So you can do some filter and see the data. So you can also schedule this. Then you can set up the email configuration. So you'll get notified. You can set the log folder. So all the actions, whatever you do, it will get logged. And you could also have dashboard, which can see the sync status, what are the fail status, if there is any error message. So that can be viewed from here as well. You can also export the configuration and upload it to the another instance. Let's say you configure for testing, then another instance for production. So you can export and import it as well. All right. So thanks for watching.